Hey guys, my name is Demi and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be taking you through how I style my mini kinky twists. I'm going to be showing you how I style it during the week. I'm going to give you about 5 to 10 styles that I do so you could try it out for yourself when you make the twists. Okay, so when I was making the hair, I don't know if you guys know this, I did a C-part. I did a straight side part and I did a C-part because I don't know, I just felt, why not? Why not just do the C-part? So sometimes I like to style it like this, like my go-to style, because it's very easy. All you need to do is to just do your edges and you are good to go. Now, the second style. Okay, so for the second style, we are going to be making use of the C-part because I did the C-part, so I'm going to use it. We're going to use the C-part and we're just going to take a little bit of hair. You don't want to take too much because it's very full, so it's not puffy. I don't know if you understand, because you want it to be as sleek as possible. I think this is plenty safe. But let's try this, sha. And then put the rest in a bun. The rest of your hair in a bun. A high bun is preferable. Depends on you really, but I prefer the high bun. I don't know if you guys know what I'm doing. I don't want it to be too puffy, because it's shrinking. You know, it's kinky, it shrinks. That's why I'm trying to stretch it as much as possible. Okay, and that's enough. Okay, so I'm just going to put that in a puff. I'll do it again. Honestly, you can do whatever works for you. You can do it in a messy puff or you could bring it out. I just like to do the messy puff because it's easier that way. You can either leave it like this. I mean, this is style 2. Or you can be like me and take it a step further and do a swoop with it. And then you take a bobby pin and pin it down. Okay, so one bobby pin is not enough. Make another one. Yeah, so yeah, this is style 3. Isn't it lovely? You can like do like little flyaways to make it look messy if you want. Really, it's just you. Depends on what you want. Okay, disclaimer, you need lots of bobby pins, like lots of them to make any style you want, just so they stay in place. Because these, they tend to just, I don't know, fly away. They don't behave. They don't like to behave. So you need lots of bobby pins to make them behave. But yeah, this is it. Can't find the mini bobby pins, but yeah. So this is style 3. This is style 3. Okay, so style 4. Okay, so this is style 4, I guess. I like this one because it's like, look at me. Look at me. Okay, off to style 5. So let's take this down, but really, to be honest, look at me. Look at me. Look at me. Okay, so off to style 5. So you can either like decide to keep these onesies in front, or you can like do it to the back, but I like to keep them in front because they make me look cute. So some people say they are childish, but that's their problem, right? I like it, and that's all that matters. So I basically just, it's almost like that other one, but instead of like to the side, it's to the back. I really don't like to do this one because it doesn't fit me as much as the middle part does. Most of the time when I pack my hair like back, I like to do the middle part because middle part fits me better than, and 5 parts fits me better than this everything going back kind of thing. But when I do it like this, I like to like keep the back full, so like the ponytail, so I don't, because I don't know how, I don't even know how to explain the shape of my head because I don't know, but this is like how I like to do it. Probably when I'm taking a walk, and because I like to take walks in the evening, or when I'm going for CDS, because I'm a sport CDS and you have to stay sporty. So yeah, this is style. I can't remember the number again, but this is Shavon style, yeah. And let's go to the next one. Okay, guys. So because of this colored whatever, sometimes I just like to wrap my hair around it if I don't have like a black band, a black hair tie for it. I just like to wrap my hair around it so it covers it and doesn't look weird on me. So you can either do this, or you could turn this into a bun. Whatever works for you. Do. So yeah. Okay. Next. Okay, so we did like the middle part low bun, and then we did like the all back low bun. Now we're going to do like the side part low bun, and I'm going to be using my C part again. I don't know why I'm so excited about my C part. It's not like there's anything special about it or spectacular, but I don't know. It's looking like, is this my C part? Because it looks like I can't find my C part again. Is this the C part I did? It doesn't look C-ish. Okay, found it. I found this. Yeah, I found my C part. Okay, so we're taking some hair from here. Yeah, should be enough. And then we're going to like put the rest in a low bun. I want to do this. I don't know. doesn't work, can we just put it back? So yeah, trying to make sure everything is slicked back, so I'm doing so much. Okay, okay, I don't want to be too tight. Let's just do it like that. Then now we're going to swoop. I'm gonna swoop this. Swoop it. Okay. Just try to put in the direction you want your swoop to go. This is how I want my swoop to be, so oh wow. Okay. And then yeah, so you can either like leave the whatever on, or no, let me secure this again because it looks like it's going to pop out anytime. Okay, so you can either like leave it or if you want a, you know, more matured look, you could put in a bun like that. This eye, I don't need low bun. Okay, so you can do it like that, like see, like low. Where are my CPAPs? Okay guys, so I'm just going to be showing you regular ways that I style my hair like every day. Nothing special. I'm just showing you how I do it. So yeah, that's all for me today. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and also please leave comments down if you have any questions or if you have nice things to say about me. So yeah, and also don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you would be notified when I post a new video. Yeah, that's all for me. Thank you so much. Have a lovely day. Bye.